That's completely unreasonable.
If you want to fight, I can get you boxing gloves, but we're not here for that. My first case ever with worms.
Come here, Sophie. Get him, Rusty.
Can I say something?
No. If she hadn't had an oral agreement, how do you do?
The Animal Court is now in session. The Honorable Joseph A. Wapner, Judge presiding.
I know you've all been sworn. I have read your complaint, ma'am. You claim that you were bitten by the defendant's dog?
Myself and my dog, yes. Arthur, sit down. We were walking at 8 o'clock in the morning on May 22nd last year, and he was on a leash, and the defendant's dog
Were you walking with him?
Yes.
You were holding him on the leash?
Mm-hmm.
And the defendant's dog did what?
He came running through, the screen door was open. He came running across the lawn, across the sidewalk.
Whose screen door was open?
The defendant's screen door
was
open, and he ran across their lawn, the sidewalk, and the street, across the street to us, right into his side of his right face.
Okay. Did he have a scar?
It's hard to see, with the hair grew back pretty well, but I have pictures here of how we both looked. Mine were taken about 2 weeks after. I had scars as well.
Sure you hold on to him?
Yeah, he looks. I have to sit down. Sit. Okay, lie down. That's a good boy. Stay. Yeah, I know, honey. It's very hard. I know.
You took him to the vet?
Yes, he was. I was bitten. I took myself to the emergency room, and I called my roommate who works close by, and she came home and took him directly to the vet.
You had two or three bites to your wrist?
I had one solid bite with 4, one on this side and 3 teeth on the other side. I had 10 stitches total.
What are your vet bills?
$420.
Thank you. And what were your doctor bills?
Well, they were very little. They came out to about $53.
So your total bills?
Total bills, including also the $28 for having her served, came out to $438.79.
The balance is what? How long did you have pain?
I still have pain. I have scars on my hand, my wrist. I'm a right-hand rider.
How many times did you see the doctor?
I saw him initially for follow-up, and then I also saw an orthopedic surgeon because my hand is very stiff.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm an independent filmmaker.
Does that pain interfere at all with your work?
Not on my work, I would say, besides the fact my writing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your defense to this man?
She's responsible for the dogs biting her because when the dogs were fighting, the dog did not attack her.
How did the dog get out?
The dog got past my son because the dogs got in a fight the night before, the previous evening. They got into a fight, the dogs.
I know, but they couldn't have been fighting if you hadn't let the dog out.
No.
Or somebody did.
No, but the dog didn't run up on her. The dogs met in the street. My dog never attacked her.
How did your dog get into the street?
He got past my son because he's seen her parading her dog back and forth in front of our house.
You mean that she's not allowed to walk on the street?
Well, she deliberately went that way. She could have went the other way to avoid the problem.
She said she was across the street.
Yeah, but she always walks across the street, and she knows at that exact time we take our son to school at the exact time. She did it
on purpose because she wanted to be bitten?
No.
Is that what you're telling me?
No, of course not, no.
Oh, I didn't think so.
No.
Okay. And your son, are you the one that let the dog out?
No, we were getting ready she was getting ready to take me to school. My mom forgot something. She went to go get her purse, right? It was in the room. So she went to go get her purse, and Gogo, our dog, saw her walking her dog across the street, and she saw her, and she just flew right past me. I felt like to the...
Who flew past you?
My dog. She just ran. I went like this, whoa. And
How long have you had that dog?
7 years.
Yeah, about 7 years.
Were you there, ma'am?
Yes, I was. I live next door to Teresa, and...
what do you want to tell me?
Well, I'm the one that broke the dogs up. And what happened was the dogs were in the street, and her dog is a pit bull, and it was locked on to her dog. Her dog is a German Shepherd, and it's got a little bit of bull terrier in it. And her dog was locked onto our dog's neck, and she got in the middle of the dogs, and we told her...
Was her dog on a leash?
No, she had let go of the leash. The dog got out of her control.
Did you let go of the leash?
When her dog attacked my dog, it tore my dog out of the leash, out of my hand, out to the middle of the street.
No, the dogs met in the middle of the street. The dogs met in the middle of the street. She was on one side of the street, we were on the other side of the street. The dogs met in the middle of the street. Her dog got out of her control. Her dog was on the leash, but when the dogs saw each other, they just went for each other, and they met in the middle of the street. And she went in the middle of the street trying to pry our dog off of her dog. Her dog was locked onto our dog's neck, and she kept putting her hands in between the two dogs. I mean, anybody with common sense knows not to do something like that. She doesn't even know what dog bit her. No one knows. So what I did, I went back inside my house, I grabbed a broomstick. I came out with the broomstick, and I had to stick the broomstick in her dog's mouth to pry the jaws off of her dog's ear. And then the police arrived.
Anyone, did the police make a report?
Yes, there's a police report, and I have letters of people that see her dog is out running loose all the time. I have pictures of that.
You don't even walk your dog on a leash.
7 times after
Her
the
dog
incident.
was out, not on a leash. No question about it. I don't have to read these letters to tell me that. Take a short recess. I'll come back and give you my decision.
Remain seated and come to order. This court is again in session.
Your dog was not on a leash. It got into the middle of the street because the door to your house was left open and he ran out. Whether this happened in the middle of the street or across the street is quite immaterial. You're liable on 2 counts. 1, violation of the leash law. 2, dog bite statute. Absolutely liable to her for the dog bite. She has a permanent scar, or two permanent scars. My thought to you is that you're lucky she's only suing in small claims court, because the maximum that she can get is $5,000 for permanent scarring, pain and suffering. My judgment is for the plaintiff for $5,000.
Only reason why she got out was because I had left the door open for 1 minute just to tell my mom, to tell her, Mom, I'm ready. And then she saw her dog, and they hate each other. Ever since we moved in the block, they hate each other.
Our dog was winning, the superior dog in the fight. Our dog was, if anything, the victim, but our dog got took into the pound, and her dog, they were supposed to have her dog too, because she doesn't even know which dog bit her. She got in the middle while they were fighting.
No, I remember very clearly which dog had its mouth wrapped around my arm.
We had to pry her dog off ours because her dog was and she was pulling my dog away from her dog while her dog was locked. My dog was in the middle.
Her dog attacked my dog, tore us out in the middle
And
of the
your dog
street.
did nothing? Your dog didn't bite back? How was your dog locked on my
Pulled us
dog?
out in the street. As soon as I start screaming, her dog turned around, and that was when he bit me.
Dog didn't even know a human was alive.
When he let go of my dog, that's when my dog got a hold of him.
Your dog had a hold of my dog the entire time.
No time.
Your dog's innocent. A pit bull's not going to defend himself against another dog attacking him? Come on.